Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts and homeowners. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cordless vacuum cleaners as we explore the top 5 models of 2023. Cordless vacuum cleaners have become a game changer in the cleaning industry, offering convenience and versatility without the hassle of cords. In this video, I'll be reviewing the best cordless vacuum cleaners on the market, helping you find the perfect cleaning companion to tackle dirt and debris effortlessly. From powerful suction and long battery life to lightweight designs and advanced filtration systems, these cordless vacuum cleaners offer a range of features to suit different cleaning needs and preferences. So grab your charging dock and let's discover the top 5 cordless vacuum cleaners of 2023. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the featured products. And if you find this video helpful, please show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss any of my future cleaning gadget reviews and recommendations. Let's find the perfect cordless vacuum cleaner to elevate your cleaning routine with the top 5 models of 2023. Starting at number 5, i5 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The i5 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a compact and efficient cleaning tool that provides versatility and convenience. Weighing less than 3 kilograms, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, allowing for effortless cleaning. With its 1 to 3 nozzles and 1 to 2 operating modes, the i5 offers flexibility and adaptability to different cleaning tasks. The cyclone filter efficiently captures fine dust and debris, promoting cleaner air quality in your home. The i5 features a bagless design with a dust box capacity of 0.610, reducing the frequency of emptying. The cordless design with a cord length of approximately 6 meters offers freedom of movement and eliminates the limitations of power cords. The i5 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, with its compact size of 310,108,210 millimeters, is easy to store and handle. The multifunctional combined brush provides versatile cleaning options for different surfaces. The i5 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a suitable choice for potential buyers in need of a compact and versatile cleaning tool. With its lightweight design, bagless operation, and long cord length, it offers convenience and efficiency for everyday cleaning tasks. At number 4, JR500 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The JR500 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and convenient cleaning tool that simplifies your cleaning tasks. Weighing less than 3 kilograms, it is lightweight and easy to carry, allowing for effortless cleaning. Equipped with a dust box with a capacity of 1 tool and a HEPA filter, the JR500 ensures efficient dust collection and promotes cleaner air quality in your home. The bagless design with a dust cup storage type makes it easy to empty and maintain. The JR500 features a wireless design, eliminating the limitations of power cords and providing freedom of movement during cleaning. The lugged display offers intuitive control and easy monitoring of battery life and cleaning modes. With a battery life of 1 hour and a power of 400 Wu, the JR500 delivers powerful suction performance, effectively cleaning various surfaces and capturing dust and debris. The random cleaning route covers the cleaning area effectively. The JR500 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a suitable choice for potential buyers seeking a versatile and user-friendly cleaning tool. With its wireless design, light display, and reliable suction power, it offers convenience and efficiency for your cleaning needs. At number 3, iLIFE H70/H70 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The iLIFE H70/H70 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a compact and powerful cleaning tool designed to simplify your cleaning routine. With its wireless design, it provides freedom of movement and eliminates the hassle of cords. Although the H70 lacks a turbo brush, its flat suction nozzle and random cleaning route effectively clean various surfaces and corners. The bagless design with a dust cup storage type makes emptying and maintenance convenient. With a battery life of 40 minutes, the H70 offers sufficient runtime for cleaning multiple areas in your home. The 250 Wu power and 25 V voltage ensure reliable suction power, efficiently removing dust and debris. The iLIFE H70 features a compact size of 1 252,523, 5 centimeters, making it easy to store and handle. The certification of C and GS guarantees safety and quality standards. Although lacking an look display, the iLIFE H70 Cordless vacuum cleaner delivers reliable performance and convenience. It is a suitable choice for potential buyers in need of a compact and efficient cleaning tool for their daily cleaning needs. At number 2, larisarger JR500 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The larisarger JR500 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a lightweight and versatile cleaning tool that delivers efficient performance. Weighing less than 3 kilograms, it is easy to carry and maneuver, making cleaning a breeze. With 1 to 3 nozzles and 3 to 4 operating modes, the larisarger JR500 offers flexibility and adaptability to different cleaning needs. The Li-ion battery provides cordless convenience, allowing users to clean without limitations. The vacuum cleaner features a large dust box with a capacity of 1 tool, reducing the frequency of emptying. The HEPA filter effectively traps dust and allergens, promoting cleaner air quality in your home. With a battery life of 1 hour and a power of 450 watts, the larisarger JR500 provides reliable suction power for efficient cleaning. The wireless design eliminates the hassle of tangled cords, offering freedom of movement. The larisarger JR500 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a suitable choice for potential buyers seeking a lightweight and versatile cleaning tool. With its bagless design, multiple operating modes, and long battery life, it is an efficient companion for keeping your home clean and tidy. At number 1, iDot Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The iDot Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable and efficient cleaning tool that offers excellent performance and quality. With its Li-ion battery, it provides cordless convenience, allowing users to clean without the restrictions of power cords. Equipped with a turbo brush and a special wiping and absorbing ground brush, the iDot vacuum cleaner effectively tackles various surfaces, ensuring thorough cleaning. The HEPA filter captures fine particles and allergens, promoting cleaner air in your home. The vacuum cleaner's compact size of 30,075 millimeters and lightweight design of 8 kilograms make it easy to maneuver and handle during cleaning sessions. Its planned cleaning route ensures systematic coverage and efficient cleaning. With a battery life of 1 hour and a suction power of 10 kb/7.5 kb, the iDot vacuum cleaner offers long-lasting cleaning performance. The dust box with a capacity of less than 0.5 L is easy to empty and maintain. The iDot Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for potential buyers in need of a high-quality and versatile cleaning tool. Its excellent suction power, long battery life, and lightweight design make it suitable for various cleaning tasks around the house. With a warranty of 3 years, it provides peace of mind and ensures durability.